everyone! Good morning! How are you guys doing? Because we are always busy at work. So on this moment, I will make a coffee for my husband. You know what guys? We started today at 1:30. We woke up at 1:30 a.m. So midnight's here. Start namin today is 2:30. So, since kailangan namin ng extra time para mag-prepare and also time to come to work, so minabuti namin na gumising ng 1:30. Kasi si husband, kailangan din niya ng mag-tank ng gas kasi today, we are going to France. So, kailangan namin lagyan ng fuel yung truck in case na magstay kami sa truck tonight. Para hindi na problema si husband sa gas. Kakarating lang namin dito sa isang company para i-connect yung trailer na gagamitin namin dito sa truck.
Like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the
guys, we're gonna cross the border
with a notebook again.
And on that side,
she's chasing skies I've never named, while I stay in my lane. But something in the way
welcome to France
keeps pulling at my chains. Oh, travel.
So, tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang daming glass na nabasag. And yung trailer guys, yan yung ano talaga, special trailer para sa glass. Para pag i-travel, hindi siya mababasag. And papasok kami dito sa loob, I think. So guys, tingnan nyo, oh. Ang lalaki ng mga machine. So yan yung gawaan ng mga glass. And sa kabila naman,
she hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on a list and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like
hello. Love you too. Guys, yung dinala namin dito.
Look, you see, but they're pulling off some people, you see?
Yes.
Who is that?
If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. Maybe next year in Madrid, or on some quiet mountain ridge, I'll see you turn and I'll be brave. But what if courage comes too late? Oh, traveler, the world is your open gate, and I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today, you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
So, nag-stop na muna kami para mag-break kasi nga yung mukha ko, kailangan namin mag-stop ng 30 minutes bago kami makapag-continue ng driving. We are here in the middle of forest.
Top of the mountain.
Top of the mountain. Correct. You're right.
Just only put something.
So, this is our food. Fried chicken, rice, and salmon. Let's eat!
She had some problems.
Buti na lang meron kaming baon. Kasi dito sa inistapan namin, walang store. So guys, we are in the city. After mag-drive sa pinaka taas ng bundok, dito kami sa city. May labot is the city of this? Oh, they have lotto.
No idea.
And there is the park. I can see it's waterfalls. And look at this monument. Unique. So, pupuntahan namin itong nirecommend ni husband. Tingnan daw namin. Actually, ang lamig.
Huh?
It's cold.
I told you. It's like that.
Look at the sun.
There is bridge.
So, dito kami guys nag-park. And dito kami mag-stay for tonight. Hindi na kami nag-stop dun sa mismong gas station talaga kasi nga naubusan na kami ng oras. Walang store. Ano lang, toilet. So guys, iti-check ko yung ano dun. Titingnan natin kung ano ba yung nandyan. Ano yun? Pero hindi
No, this actually it's okay. Before I was eating them. They're not ready yet.
So, ganito siya guys. Meron din silang, may labaw. They also have like this. What is this? I think this is bitter. Or hindi siguro siya nakakain. So, what is in here? Oh my god. It's so high. And it's so scary. Tingnan nyo guys, so sa ilalim ng bridge.
No, don't go.
Don't go? Why? It's only a little bit. Natatakot siya guys. Ayaw niya puntahan. Tabi-tabi po. Look at that. It's so high. Walang pun. There's no apple tree, no? You are scared?
No, that is not allowed. from Germans law. Maybe it's under the bridge like that. It's not really a good idea to go in.
We are now going back to the truck. Yung oras ngayon guys is 7 PM. Tingnan nyo naman yung araw. Yan guys yung aming truck. Trespassing kami. So noisy. And there is the toilet. And this is our truck. So tingnan nyo guys, so ito yung taniman ng mais. Ready na sila i-harvest. And ngayon traffic. Hindi ko alam kung ano bang meron sa unahan. Bakit traffic? Ito guys, so parang Philippines lang. And there on that side, it's a Switzerland. Kaya pala guys traffic kasi nga merong roadworks.
Перестановок не обсуждались, пишет издание РБК Украина. Зеленский также говорил, что если ситуация на фронте ухудшится, то власти Украины будут принимать трудные решения. Также, по словам Зеленского, есть какие-то силы в украинском политикуме, которые попытаются через окружение президента США Дональда Трампа донести ему альтернативную точку зрения не в интересах Украины. Кроме того, президент сказал, что он хочет...
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane. But something
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ano siguro siya? Grapes? Taniman ng mga grapes. And yung dagat, pagtawid dyan is ano, Switzerland. There's so many apples. Hindi ko siya abot. Sobrang daming apple tree sa daan. Sayang hindi ako makapaba. At nung mag-travel kami, ang dami din nadaanan naming apples. Nasa gilid lang ng kalsada. Yung iba nabubulok na lang. Ang dami din silaglagan sa baba. Sagana dito sa apples. Kasi nga season na. So it's time to harvest. Ito oh. Apple. Look at that.
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never keep. I sip my coffee, miss my cue, still anchored by my fear. But time rolls on like open roads, and soon
So guys, naiwan si husband dun sa company kasi nga pupunta ako sa store. May nakita kasi kaming store na malapit dito, so pupuntahan ko na lang. And hindi makakasama si husband kasi nga mag-unload siya ng mga dineliver namin. Malapit lang naman, mga 1 minute walking. Kasi nga mamaya magstay kami sa truck and hindi kami sigurado kung makakapark ba kami sa may store. Kaya sasamantalin na lang natin. Ang tahimik dito guys. So nandito ako sa Germany. Ito yung mga bahay dito sa Germany. So guys, ito na yung store. Diba sabi ko ang lapit lang. So Edeka. So this is the store guys. So pasok lang tayo. And where's the entrance? Here. Kukuha lang ko ng basket. So, tingnan natin kung ano nga ba yung mabibili ko. Basta kailangan namin ng food. Kasi wala kaming pagkain. Look at that, meron silang rice. Hindi ako sure kung pwede ba siya ilagay. Bibili ako nito. Bibili nga din pala ako ng salt. So ito yung bibiliin ko. 3. So ito na yung nabili natin. Rice. So ilalagay ko lang siya sa microwave. Kukuha din ako ng Coke. Guys, kakatapos ko lang mag-grocery. Kunti lang naman yung binili ko. Pero mabigat siya. So, babalik na ako dun sa company kung nasaan si husband. Naghihintay na din siya sa akin. Kung mag-isa ka lang siguro guys dito sa itong lugar, homesick ka talaga. Kasi sobrang tahimik. At wala ding mga tao. Look guys, so ang daming apple. Pero siya, ang dami ding nagsilaglagan. Kaso private siya. So, bawal kumuha. Kaso sayang, mahinog na. Kaya nandun naman yung aming truck. Naghihintay na ang aking mister. Look. It's done?
Yes.
Well, okay. Actually, the old lady, when she's scanning the beer, and then she looked at me. She speak German, and then I already get it. She was gonna ask my age. I said, I am 24. And she said, okay. So, she did not ask my ID. So, yung company, guys, is, siya, nagpo-produce sila ng cheese. So, binigyan si husband. This is cheddar. Cheddar cheese or cheddar. Ito naman yung binili ko store. Rice. And binili ako nito para sa kitchen. And then, binili ako guys ng chocolates. So, 70% cacao. Actually, that was €4. Binili tayo ng salt. 3 yung binili ko.
Why you buy salt here?
Because it's more cheaper. Binili ako ng Coke, 2 Coke. And then, peanut. And last but not the least, coffee latte. Yan. Yung nabayaran ko is €30. Yan yung beer ni husband. So, ito try ko to guys. Itong chocolates. Let's see kung masarap ba. Binili ko to ng €4. Hindi ko alam kung ilang piraso. 24. 24 pieces yung niya. I will try first before I give it to you.
No, I don't want. I
So
know
this is bones.
Try before. I do the same.
Actually, it's yummy.
It is. Yeah, I know this.
It's really cacao. It's sweet but bitter, but it's yummy. So, kung nandito kayo guys sa Germany, recommended ko to bilhin niyo. Masarap siya. Look guys, may helicopter. It's very close already. So, kakapark lang namin dito. Mabuti na nga lang meron pang space. Kaya nakapag-park kami dito sa malapit sa company kung saan kami mag-load tomorrow. Kasi alam niyo ba guys, lalo na kapag hapon o gabi, ubusan talaga yung parking. Kaya yan yung yung stress ng mga drivers. Lalo na kapag time out na sila sa driver tapos wala pa silang mahanap na parking. So, tingnan niyo naman guys, puno na yung mga ang daming trucks. So, dito na lang kami nag-park sa line. So, hindi na dyan mismo kasi wala na, ubos na. Kabuti na lang, meron talaga kaming nakuwang space. May My sweetie hearty. He's so tired. Kawawa naman. Pupunta kami guys ng store. Pasok kami sa loob para bumili ng food. Kasi nga dun sa binilhan ko na tindahan, wala silang pagkain. Mabuti na lang, meron kaming nahanap na parking kung saan meron tindahan. Kaya ito na lang kami bili ng pagkain.
Yes, she's right. He was before.
Yeah. You said there's a McDo.
Yes.
So guys, there's a McDo. So they have also food here.
Beans. It's nice.
Cake. Kilamos lang ako. Hindi ako maliligo kasi nga wala kaming dalang towel.
Gleich hier im Shop einzulösen. Dein aktueller Sanifair Erdbeeren ist €1 wert. Hol dir doch zum Beispiel für deine Weiterfahrt.
So what do you want to do?
You press the code. You press the code.
Well, we don't have food here. You? Guys, ito yung in-order ko sa McDo. Milkshake, chocolate flavor, and
This is not a
Big Mac, and fries. So si husband hindi siya nag-order kasi nga hindi siya gutom.
It's later, right? We'll order. It's late.
Later na daw siya mag-order. Kasi nga hindi pa siya gutom. Pero ako, gutom na. Kaya kakain tayo. Try natin tong chocolate milkshake. Actually, babe, it's yummy.
Of course, it's chocolate.
Chocolate. Alam niyo ba? Every time kami nakakain sa gas station, wala kaming ibang pinakain kasi nga, maliban sa walang choices sa gas station, yung food lang nila is kunwari, like for example, McDo, Burger King, so lahat burger and fries. So wala talagang option. Hindi pa rin sa Philippines na kapag McDo, pwede ka makapag-order ng rice meal, dito wala. Ano lang talaga yung nila menu, burger, fries, and coke. Meron pa lang nag-comment, sabi niya, maliban daw sa work ni husband as a driver and sa pag-vlog ko, ano pa daw yung work ko. So guys, actually wala na talaga akong work. So sama lang kay husband. Maliban sa wala pa akong work permit, ayaw din ni husband ako na magtrabaho kasi nga gusto niya sumama lang muna ako sa kanya. Yung pagsasamang kay husband, parang hindi siyang trabaho kasi nga meron din akong ginagawa dito, like paglagay ng mga address sa Google Map, paggawa ng CMR, ginagawan ko siya ng coffee.
Ayaw, di ba?
So guys, soon matutulog na kami. Kasi bukas, gising pa kami ng maaga, ng 3:30. Kasi kailangan namin mag-drive ng 3 hours. And then, need din namin na dumating sa company on time. Ito guys yung namin, higaan dito sa loob ng truck. Yun yung sarap pa, nilagyan ng curtain. And then sa taas naman, merong bed, dyan ako natutulog, tapos si husband dito sa baba. Kasi nga, hindi kami kakasya kung dalawa kami matutulog dito sa isang bed. Kasi nga, maliit lang siya.